who can tell me about y'all's story y'all are reading this week at the beach?
It's this boy. Little Java. He had stepped on the sea urchin.
What else happened? Does anybody else know? You want to tell me something that happened?
He was disobeying his mama, and his mama had told him not to go to the beach, and they to the reef where they went to, and there was like 3 other people was with him, and when he came back, he had to go to they had to help him out because he had somebody stuck in his feet.
Okay. What's something that happened? You?
It was a story about this little boy and his family. They had went to the beach, and then they was swimming and stuff, and then he wanted to go find something over by the reef, and he went over there, and then one of his little cousins stepped on a tweezer, a sea urchin, and then he got stuck in his feet, and then they went back, and then he told the story to his mama, and then his mama asked him, he felt his cousin was like, she was eating all slow, and he kept asking her to lay down, and then because he had told the story to his mama, and then he told her the truth.
Okay. We're going to do a vocabulary lesson for y'all's words this week. I wrote them on the board, and some of y'all have cards. And on the card is the definition and the answer to the word that it goes with it. Whoever, I'm going to call on you, and you're going to read the definition, and I'm going to point to the word that I think it is, and y'all are going to tell me if I'm right or not. Okay? So do you want to go first? No?
Put out of sight.
Okay. Is that right?
Yes.
What's the word?
Conceal.
Okay. Who's next? What have y'all got?
Strictly firm.
Is that right? What's that word?
Sternly.
Okay. Your turn.
Wood carried along by water or washed ashore from water.
Is that right?
Yes.
What is it?
Driftwood.
Wood. Okay. You want to go?
Hanging bags or couches made of canvas cord.
Right. What is it? Hammocks. Okay.
Small for picking up small objects.
Okay.
This one?
What is that word?
Tweezers.
Okay. Do you have a card? Okay.
There or shown grief for.
Okay. So showing grief. What word is that? Okay. Who has the cards at the back table? Okay.
A group of related living things, most living in the water, algae.
Okay. Okay, so you said the word. So that one's algae. Did everybody hear him?
Yes.
Okay. And who has another card? Do you have a card? Does anybody else have a card that hasn't gone?
It's
Not no card.
Okay. Now we're going to make a 4 square for vocabulary words. Have you all ever done that?
No.
And I'm going to use the word limited. Okay. And I'm going to show y'all what to do up here, and we're going to do it together, and then I'm going to put y'all in groups and give y'all a piece of paper, and y'all are going to, each group's going to make your own with a different word. Okay. So right here we're going to do the definition. So who wants to tell me the definition of limited? You want to tell me? You don't know that one? Okay. Do you know it?
Good.
Okay, somebody that knows it. Do you know it back there?
To show grief.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and then right here we're going to write a synonym. So, what's a synonym besides grief? No, a synonym is the same. A word that means the same thing.
Limiting.
No, that's the word that we're doing.
Oh.
Sadness. And then I'm going to use it in a sentence. So, what's a good sentence I could use? Do you have a sentence? Do you know?
Oh, I was lamented at a funeral.
Okay. And then right here, I'm going to draw a picture. So I'm going to draw somebody that's
Somebody crying with tears in their eyes.
somebody that's crying. Okay, so I'm going to give each group some paper and a word.